here in our collection. I'll share what is the collection. Okay, let's do this. Because this is like the most amazing pack ever. Like, come on. Anyways, let me get something to let this stand. Okay, found something to let it stand. This is my Play-Doh doll. Yeah. Because I have these magnificent people. Awesome. Here, there's some twinsies, but one is small and one is big. These two are twinsies, but this one is smaller than the rest. This one is like Ziggy. Zay. This one is just straight. Because let me show you what I'm talking about later. And then these are other twinsies. Little one, red. Yeah. And then these two alligators are twinsies. One is red, one is yellow. Woohoo! Same size. Anyways, I came up to do something. Of course, make Pinky something. Oh, I'm making a square. Like, ooh, maybe we can make Christmas treats. Hey, and about that? Woo! Let's make this happen. Okay, let me roll up a dough. Let me fix this. Whoa! Roll out the dough. I'm like a monkey because I'm using my feet to hold the iPad when I'm doing this. Yeah. I think totally I need something to do. You could stand. Anyways, yeah. Oh my goodness, that really hurt me. Okay, let's try a star. Let's make a star. I'm trying to make a whole something to show you what I'm doing it like this. Too bad there's nothing to let us stand, but let's be the way. Okay. Let's carefully unpeel our beautiful starfish right and right. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's starfish. Oh, you know what will make it cuter? I have an idea. Use these leftovers and put something cool on it, like in the middle. Oh, gee. Okay, let's look over here. What is something awesome over here? Did you see anything? I have an idea. We can use this lazy starfish as the back. No, that does not work. It's like, hey. There. Okay, let's find something good. I know something. Something cute. Oh, I ruined it. Let me try. Oh, so cute! Teddy bear! Okay, for the teddy bear, okay, it's in the middle, right? Okay. So let's make some hair for like this big stickers. Really, look at its hair. So fancy. So fancy. Okay, awesome, right? Now we're really like pushing it up. No, teddy bear is going bye-bye? No, teddy bear escaped in time before the destructions of the octopus. Okay. Teddy bear, do you want to be my bear and do something? I have the secret tool only for a secret. You don't know what it is for, so I won't show you. It's only for Cookie Swirl C. Only Cookie Swirl C can see this. So, I hope you guys are looking at the end. I hope Cookie Swirl, I'm talking to Cookie Swirl C. Cookie Swirl C, look at the end of the video and you would see the magic of this. No one else, please, no one. I beg, no one, okay? Okay, bye. This has been like a short video. Okay, so bye. Cookie Swirl C, are you there at the end? Yeah, you're not. Please subscribe, okay? LPS Lover 106 here. Okay, bye. This is the end of the video. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you, and adios. Hey, LPS Lover here. Is Cookie Swirl C still here? Okay, look. This thing is awesome. Look, open it. You like put the Play-Doh inside here, like a skinny Play-Doh, and then you close it like this. Okay, so it's like this. And then you can make like some move, so like something like cool. You see it like that. You just made that. Ooh, it's like you can make things like this. This is like maker, like it's so real. So yeah, see ya.